Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our second unit, Flora and Fauna. In this unit, our first topic is Amazing Green World. There are hundreds of different types of plants in this world. Some of them are incredibly amazing. Come, let's read about them. There are hundreds of different types of plants in this world. As we all know, there are so many trees, so many plants, and different kinds of vegetations are present in our earth. Some of them are incredibly amazing. So let's read about them. First of all, which is the world's largest flower? So its answer is Rafflesia. What is the meaning of this question? Which is the वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट फ्लावर मीन्स वर्ल्ड्स का सबसे बड़ा फ्लावर कौन सा है? द आंसर इज रफ्लेशिया. विच इज़ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग प्लांट इन द वर्ल्ड? वर्ल्ड में सबसे फास्ट ग्रो होने वाला प्लांट कौन सा है? दैट इज बाम्बू. विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट फ्लावर इन द वर्ल्ड विश्व में सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट फ्लावर कौन सा है? That is Wolffia. In this way you have to answer all the questions, and for this I will send you a PDF, and here it is given two questions which you have to do it yourself. What is the national flower of India and what is the study of plants called? It is your homework. So in second unit our next topic is Amazing Life. There are various animals living around the world. There are so many animals, as we all know, in jungles and around us. There are so many animals on this earth. Some of them are common while some are rare and unique. कुछ ऐसे animals होते हैं जिन्हें हम देखते रहते हैं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत यूनिक होते हैं और कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा रेयर होते हैं जो बहुत कम पाए जाते हैं. Given below are some rare kinds of animals. Here it is given some rare kinds of animals, and this I will give you in the form of PDF. All these things. Now here it is given, draw a line to match the animals with their correct baby names. Here it is given the animal's name, and here it is given its baby's name. So you have to match. Lion, cub, goat, kid, pig, piglet, cow, calf, sheep, lamb, horse, foal, goose, goslings. So this is your matching, and here it is given one questions for you. Which animal cannot stick its tongue out? ऐसा कौन सा एनिमल है जो अपनी जीभ को बाहर नहीं निकाल सकता? दैट इज क्रोकोडाइल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज biennials and perennials. Biennials and perennials are the two types of plants. There are two types of plants. One is biennials and second one is perennials. Biennials are plants which have a 2-year life cycle. Biennials ऐसे plants होते हैं जिनकी लाइफ सिर्फ 2 years की होती है. फर्स्ट ईयर में वो सिर्फ ग्रो होते हैं, एंड इन सेकेंड ईयर दे विल ग्रो इन फ्रूट्स और इन फॉर्म ऑफ प्लांट्स. Perennials can live for 2 or more years while biennials live only for 2 years. Perennials सिर्फ 2 या 2 साल से ज़्यादा जी सकते हैं, while biennials live only for 2 years. जबकि जो biennial plants होते हैं वो सिर्फ 2 साल ही जीवित रहते हैं. Given below are some pictures of biennials and perennials plants. Here you are saying these all are biennials and perennial plants. Observe the pictures and identify that from which group they belong. अब आपको इन सब में फाइंड आउट करना है, आइडेंटिफाई करना है उस पिक्चर्स को कि इन प्लांट्स में से कौन से बायनियल्स हैं एंड विच आर पेरिनियल प्लांट्स. Write B for biennials and P for perennial plants in the box. So here pansies is biennial that live only for 2 years. Foxglove is also biennials. Wallflower biennials. Hollyhocks biennials. Evening biennials. Primrose biennials. Sweet William biennials. Irises biennials. Irises is perennial and Agapanthus is also a perennials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All 7 plants are biennials that live only for 2 years. Here irises and Agapanthus are perennials. Daylilies, bleeding heart, water lily, gerberas, geraniums, anthuriums, all these are perennials. Here it is written P for perennials. So these plants live for 2 or more than 2 years. Here it is given some true and false, tick for true and cross for false statements given below. Perennials are plants which have a 2-year life cycle. False. 2 years life cycles is only for biennials plants. Biennial produce seeds in the 2nd year of their life. Biennials plants जो होते हैं वो अपने लाइफ के 2nd year में ही प्रोड्यूस और ग्रो होते हैं. That is true. Wallflower and hollyhocks are the example of biennials. True. Irises and Agapanthus are the 2 examples of perennials. True. Now here it is given you a booster shot that you have to do by yourself. What are annual plants? What part of plant is needed to produce more plants? Okay students. Our next topic is birds of paradise. Students, paradise means heaven. Means birds of heaven, birds of paradise. The birds of paradise are one of the most colorful birds in the world. Birds of paradise पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे कलरफुल बर्ड्स होते हैं. They are found mainly in the jungles of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and parts of Eastern Australia. And these birds of paradise are found in the jungle of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and parts of Eastern Australia. Following information is incomplete. Choose words from the help box and complete the given sentences. Here it is given some clues and here it is given help box. With the help of these clues you have to mention the names of some birds of paradise. Here it is given one more question. Where are birds of paradise found? Birds of paradise कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? इसका आंसर आपको यहीं ऊपर ही दिया हुआ है बेटा. They are found mainly in the jungles of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and parts of Eastern Australia. Next, our topic is web-footed birds. Students, what is the meaning of web-footed birds? Web-footed birds having pieces of skin between the toes. And this kind of skin, this kind of foot is especially found in ducks, goose and other aquatic animals. The birds which live and feed on the land, जो birds land में ही feed करते हैं, babies देते हैं और land में ही रहते हैं, they are many birds which live mostly on the water. There are many birds which live mostly on water. लेकिन कुछ ऐसे बर्ड्स होते हैं जो ज़्यादातर वाटर में रहते हैं. Some of these have webbed feet. और इनमें से कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जिनके जो फीट होते हैं, जो पैर होते हैं, वो वेब्ड होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल जो डक्स होते हैं, और ये वेब्ड फीट ऐसे होते हैं जो उन्हें स्विम करने में हेल्पफुल होते हैं. जिनके जो फीट होते हैं वो यहाँ बीच से जुड़े होते हैं. इनमें यहाँ पे एक थिन लेयर होती है एक स्किन की, इन सब फीट के यहाँ बीचों बीच, जिससे वो स्विम कर सकते हैं. Give the names of some web-footed birds with the help of clues and pictures we have given below. Here it is given some pictures, and with these clues you have to write their names. So all these answer I will give you in the PDF form. So here our second unit is completed, students. Try to understood these topics. Next I will send you its answer in the form of PDF. Okay, thank you children.